So guys, I have tried removing this with my hands, my fingers, and I can't get it. I'm going to go ahead and get him off, and if I tear it up, I don't care, because I got a small pack. I want to go ahead and shoot a couple drops of PB Blaster on him, because we know within probably a month we're going to be doing a brake fluid flush on this vehicle. This is a 5-year-old Kia Sorento, and that's all I like to do. I don't like to make a big mess. So I'll catch what runs down. I don't care what this is, I just put that on it and leave it. If you can leave it for 24 hours, that'd be great. I think by far the favorite product here is going to be PB Blaster. Just a good penetrating oil. They call it a penetrating catalyst. It's been around my whole life. And these, I don't remember the price. They're off Amazon. They're dirt cheap. They do have high silicone content. Can't appreciate that on video. Let me shake one out here. And I'll make sure they're on all my caps. Now I did kind of tear that one up. And a lot of them you will. I mean, it's been 5 years. A lot of these boots get real brittle and they'll kind of tear up when you get them off. It does feel like a really good quality. And I'll show you how nice it snaps on. Oh, nice fit. It's got a little snap when it snaps on. And even if you're successful in pulling it off by hand, here's usually what happens to them. But these guys are cheap. I'll put a link in the description of the silicone caps. This is a 25 pack, dirt cheap, and the PB Blaster, which can be bought at any of the big box stores. Okay guys, we're on a Ram 2500 with the Cummins in it. We know we're going to flush the brakes. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of preventive maintenance on it. These here might pull off. This hasn't been bled for 4 years. Yeah, you can get that one off. I'll inspect him. If he looks good, I'll put him back on. If not, I'll put on a new one. These paper towels, I don't want to make it too messy. The PB Blaster, that is funny. I couldn't film it on the Kia, it's just too tight. They come right off like that when they're dry. Due to the silicone content, they just don't get damaged. They don't get dried out and dry rotted. But it hasn't been 5 years either. They're brand new, so. This is original, so this is over 8 years old. It still looks good. It looks like pretty good quality. And that's what we're going to do to all four.